They said I should simplify root 63 minus root 28 over root 7. Root 63 minus root 28 over root 7. Now, for you to also understand anything in surd, you must get used to your perfect squares. Perfect squares in the sense that we have 2 times 2, which is equal to what? 4. 3 times 2 gives me 9. 4 times 4 gives me 16. 5 times 5 gives me 25. So you must get used to your perfect squares for you to solve any question concerning surd. So for you to do that, solution, we have this. So look at this particular question now, solution. Now for me to know what are the factors of 63 that one must be a perfect square. Factors of 63 that one of them must be a perfect square. So when looking at it very well, say okay, so what will I multiply that one of them will give me a perfect square? Looking at it very well, I can try to say okay, let me pick 9. 9 times what to give me 63. 9 times what to give me 63 because 9 is a perfect square. So I have to use a particular question that is a perfect square because 9 is a perfect square. What about 28? Now what are these factors that when you use one of them to multiply with something that will give you 28? I will multiply with something that will give you 28. Now looking at it very well, I can try to say 9. I'm using 9 because factor of 63 is 9. Then I have it as what? It becomes what? So let me write the question. 28 over root 7. So this is saying that one of the factors is 9 times what? 7. Remember, there are other factors. We are not picking other factors because 9 is a perfect square. In surd, you must use one of the perfect square. That's the root of surd. Minus the next one. Now, once your line is perfect square, I can try to pick it. What will I pick? Factor of 28 is one of the factors is 4. So 4 times 7 gives me what? 28. Over, I bring back my what? My root 7. Now from this part, I can decide to say, okay, since I've gotten this, then I now have it as well, just like saying root 9 multiplies root 7 minus root 4 multiplies root 7 over what? Root 7. Root 9, correct of 9 is 3. Then just like saying 3 root 7, 3 root 7 minus 2 root 7 over root 7. Now in surd, when they are the same, what do? They can add or subtract because their roots are the same. 3 root 7 and 2 root 7 they are the same, so I can try to subtract this because their roots are the same. Just like saying 3 minus 2, then they are both having a root 7. Remember, this is still over root 7. 3 minus 2, just like saying 1. So I'll have 1 root 7 over root 7. Now from this part, you're always expected to rationalize, or some persons decide to cancel it. So there are two things you can do here. Is either I decide to what? 7 cancel 7, my answer is equal to 1, or probably you move further and rationalize. So if you want to rationalize, that means have it as what? Bring back what is in the denominator and multiply it to both sides. So have it as what? 1 root 7 root 7 is like saying root 49 over root 7 root 7 is than saying root 49. So square root of 49 just like saying 1 square root of 49 is 7. 1 multiplies 7 over what? 7. Just like saying equal to what? 7 cancel 7. So my answer is equal to what? 1. Or from here I can still cancel this out to get my answer as 1. So while solving this, my answer is equal to what? 1. My answer is equal to what? 1. So from that, let's have this. So do this particular question. So let's say find or simplify. We have root 50 plus root 38 over root 3.